Elevation is accurate. Confirming benchmark set here. Moving the pole now. Verified drainage alignment.
Preparing the land is more than clearing ground. Every contour is engineered to control water, protect roots, and maximize long-term yields. Every export plantation starts with carefully propagated tissue culture plants, ensuring uniform growth and consistent harvest quality. Uniform seedlings arrive only after the field is fully prepared. Timing is essential to establish healthy and productive plantations. Consistent spacing allows every plant equal access to sunlight, water, and nutrients, forming the foundation of efficient commercial production. Mulching reduces evaporation, suppresses weeds, and protects young roots during the plantation's most vulnerable stage. Modern plantations combine traditional farming with precision technology, allowing problems to be detected before they become costly. Mulching reduces evaporation, suppresses weeds, and protects young roots during the plantation's most vulnerable stage. With the plantation established, years of careful cultivation begin. Every future harvest depends on the precision achieved during these first critical weeks. Each planting position is carefully prepared to ensure uniform root development and decades of productive growth. Healthy roots establish quickly when every seedling is planted at the correct depth and spacing.
The first irrigation removes air pockets and encourages rapid root establishment across the entire plantation.
Mulching protects soil moisture while reducing weed competition during the plantation's earliest stage. Uniformity today will determine harvest efficiency years into the future.
Consistent irrigation allows every plant to develop at nearly the same rate.
Modern fertigation delivers nutrients directly to the active root zone with remarkable efficiency.
Early weed control reduces competition for water and nutrients during the plantation's critical establishment phase. Targeted biological treatments protect crops while minimizing environmental impact.
Within just a few months, careful planning has transformed open land into a thriving commercial banana plantation. Healthy leaf development provides the energy required for every future banana bunch. Continuous monitoring allows growers to identify problems long before they affect production.
Balanced nutrition supports stronger plants and more consistent fruit development. Removing excess shoots concentrates energy into the main plant while preparing the next production cycle. Strategic pruning improves ventilation, simplifies harvesting, and supports healthier plantations. Precision agriculture allows entire plantations to be monitored in minutes rather than days. Healthy soils retain moisture, recycle nutrients, and improve long-term plantation productivity. The appearance of the flower marks the beginning of fruit production and the plantation's most closely monitored stage. Every developing bunch is inspected to ensure uniform size, quality, and export potential. Months of careful cultivation have transformed young seedlings into a productive plantation, preparing for its first commercial harvest. As fruit develops, every bunch is carefully monitored to achieve consistent export quality. Protective bags shield developing fruit from insects, sun damage, and surface blemishes during the final months before harvest.
The measurements indicate optimal growth. Excellent. Updating the harvest schedule.
Supporting mature plants protects both the crop and the plantation during periods of rapid fruit growth.
Even during the final growing stage, irrigation remains critical for fruit size and overall quality.
Harvest begins only when each bunch reaches the correct stage of development for international transport. Cableway rollers lubricated, cables inspected, transport hooks prepared. The system is ready. Careful coordination allows thousands of banana bunches to move efficiently from field to packing station.
Ensure the hooks are secure.
Preparation inside the packing house is just as important as the harvest itself, ensuring fruit quality is preserved from the first moment it arrives. After months of careful cultivation, the plantation stands ready for its first large-scale commercial harvest.
The harvest begins only after every bunch has reached the precise maturity required for export.
Each banana bunch is handled entirely by hand during the first seconds of harvest, minimizing impact damage before mechanical transport begins. Continuous mechanical transport keeps harvested fruit moving without interruption, reducing field delays and preserving freshness. Within minutes of harvesting, the fruit reaches the packing house, where quality preservation becomes the highest priority. Washing removes field residue, while careful handling protects the fruit's delicate surface. Only fruit meeting strict export specifications continues through the production line. Grading ensures buyers receive consistent quality, regardless of harvest location within the plantation. Careful packing protects the fruit throughout its international journey, from plantation to overseas markets. Thousands of banana bunches now move through an integrated harvest and packing system designed for speed, consistency, and global export. Pre-cooling rapidly removes field heat, slowing ripening and preserving fruit quality before export. Thousands of banana bunches now move through an integrated harvest and packing system designed for speed, consistency, and global export. Correct pallet placement allows chilled air to circulate evenly throughout the container during international transport. Securing every pallet prevents movement that could damage fruit during thousands of kilometers at sea. Every shipment undergoes multiple quality checks before leaving the plantation.
Harvest, packing, and transportation operate continuously to maintain the cold chain without interruption.
From plantation to port, refrigerated transport protects fruit quality every kilometer of the journey.
International distribution begins as refrigerated containers are transferred directly onto ocean-going cargo vessels. Within hours of harvest, the plantation becomes part of a global food supply network reaching markets around the world.
Precision farming, efficient logistics, and continuous quality control transform a tropical plantation into one of the world's most reliable sources of fresh bananas. Quality control continues long after harvesting. Every shipment is verified against strict export standards before leaving the plantation.
Daily sanitation protects food safety, while preventive maintenance keeps production running without interruption.
Reliable infrastructure is maintained continuously, ensuring every plant receives consistent water and nutrients throughout the production cycle.
After harvest, the old plant returns to the soil, recycling nutrients for the next generation of banana production.
Each harvested plant is immediately replaced by the next carefully selected generation, allowing continuous commercial production. Commercial banana farming is a continuous cycle rather than a single harvest, with every block carefully managed throughout the year. Hundreds of coordinated tasks operate together every day, forming one uninterrupted production system. Months of careful planning have evolved into a highly organized agricultural operation designed for consistent global supply.
Even as one shipment leaves the plantation, the next harvest is already moving toward the packing station.
From a single tissue culture seedling to international export, every stage depends on precision.
The inspection shows consistent irrigation. These rows are looking particularly healthy this year. Noted, quality is maintained across this block. Let's check the harvested sections next.
Harvesting, packing, and logistics operate together as one synchronized system, allowing fresh bananas to reach international markets with remarkable efficiency. Every exported shipment represents months of careful cultivation, yet production never stops. The next harvest is already on its way. Harvesting, packing, and logistics operate together as one synchronized system, allowing fresh bananas to reach international markets with remarkable efficiency. From precision surveying to global export, every stage forms part of one continuous agricultural system.